Hello everybody, back to Brandon Hotler. If you're gonna be enjoying this video, press that like button, subscribe, and leave a nice, wonderful comment. And remember, you can follow me on Instagram at SoloWolf, official SoloWolf. Burping makes my stepbrother laugh. What are you eating? Dorito? Oh, Doritos. Thought they were Sun Chips at first. Oh, that feels...
Here's my name. Don't wear it out.
No, that's his name.
You don't look so good.
Yeah, you don't. You're green.
Gross.
Yeah, it is gross. That's what I was trying to do. Hello everybody, back with on my other burping video, a lot of people said they wanted me to do another burping video. And this time I won't be at my dad's with my stepbrother laughing, but this time I'll be doing it like hell. I mean hell. Okay, whatever. I'm gonna make the loudest one will be at the final finale. Okay, this is gonna be the final finale. Hello everybody, back to Brandon Hatley. And what I'm gonna be a lot of people are telling me to do more burps. How many burps am I gonna do? This is gonna be the third one, yeah. And I'm still not at my dad's, but I'm at my mom's. I go to my dad's every other weekend, but today's Wednesday and I have school at my mom's, so oh well. Okay. Another final finale at the end. Hello everybody, back to Brandon Hatley. Well, so actually, I'm gonna start I wonder what I should change my phrase to. Like every time I do my videos, I start off like one of these kind of videos. I say, back to Brandon Hatley. But I don't want you guys to choose. Like, just say what kind of phrase you want me to do. Kind of like, back to Solo Wolf. Away from me, Nat. Freaking dumb gnats. Oh my god. Okay, I'll just ignore them, because they're brats. And they're bitches. Okay. I'm gonna be doing another... Keep hearing something out of my window. Sounds like someone's chopping a tree down. I see wrinkles every time we do that. Okay, perfect. Hey, person chopping the trees down. Get a load of this. Not that one. On Instagram today, that Pikachu hat that you see right over there, you can see it from here. I used an Instagram picture, and that's what it was. Instagram. I put it on Instagram. Grrr, so. Okay, I'm gonna be doing another burping video. I'm just bored.
Can't burp.
And I have nothing to do, so I'm gonna.
Burp the video of the video. I'm gonna burp.
I'm going to. But okay, so I'm gonna be burping like he said.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I'm at my dad's again and back with the psycho.
Can't burp again.
Oh, you burp.
No. Okay. Burp again. Okay.
Burp. That was a mess up.
Okay. Burp again. Oh, like that. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Burp again.
Hey.
Oh, that's
People have been telling me to stand up and doing it. So I guess that's what I'll do.
There's a Mikey glass right here. Hey, I can't see it. Burp again. I can't see it. Yeah, I can't see the Mikey glass.
I guess this is where we're going to be ending off
Shut
the video.
up!
Bye. Chubby monkey. Sorry, guys. I'm just bored. So bored. I mean, bored. My dog heard me, so it doesn't really matter. I just stand up. The best I can do. Sorry, guys, that I can't do real farts, but I'll practice. I don't guarantee you that I can do them, but I'll try. Don't worry. If I can do it, I'll do it. Hey guys, do you want me to do another vlog? I haven't done one of those in a while. If you do, put it in the comments, please. Like this video too. I don't think my dogs like me doing that. Oh my god. Oh god. Yeah. One more. Guess what, dudes? I'm going to be doing another burping video. Again. How many people want me to do more burps? If you want me to do more burps, and I mean like a longer video with more burps, leave it in the comments. Okay? Let's go off. I'll be standing up a little later in the video, not like right now. Just a little later. like snoring like crazy. Maple! Shut up! No. I don't want to ruin the video of burping. Okay, time to stand up. Well, as you can see, I have a Texas shirt. Texas is awesome. And all that damn stuff. I'm gonna go burp by my dog, Maple. How's that sound? Oh yeah, this week was sad. Okay, don't ask. Hey, get up, camera. Marley, come join the party. Now they just left the party. I'm gonna make this 3 minutes. Oh, okay, wait. Big burp coming up. Final finale. I guess I'll do one more burp.